So got 3 things to do: oil change, brake pads, undercoat. Let's get to it. So I officially have everything that I need. Got my last few Amazon orders in, and check out what I got. So I got a jump pack for when my battery dies. I can charge accessories with that, and I don't have to worry about having anybody else jump me. Then I have an air compressor. For when I air down, I can air back up after I go off-roading, go back on the road. First aid kit. Butane camp stove with 4 refills, so I should be good for the whole trip. Backpacking mess kit has everything that I need. These are mosquito nets. They slide over the doors so I can have the windows down at night, not get too hot. And a power inverter so I can plug in my laptop to a 12-volt socket right here, and I can use the back table as a desk. So as of right now, I have everything that I need. I did all the maintenance. All I need to do is get some food, and I need to plan a date to leave. So the only change to the trip I've made is right now it's not going to be a complete coast-to-coast road trip. I was thinking to save money, save time, and to really just enjoy the places that I stop. I'm going to drive from here to New Mexico, Colorado, Utah, and back. So still should be a fun time. It should be able to stretch my dollar a little more and can just really enjoy the places that I go to.